In this video, you will learn the foundational trading principles of becoming a profitable trader. Without further ado, let's go to the basic principle that will give you an edge over others in the market. Market is a combination of order and chaos. Sometimes you know what market is doing, sometimes you know nothing at all. The reason why combination of order and chaos are present in the market at the same period of time is simple. Nobody should have absolute mastery over the market in order to avoid market manipulation. Because if a single individual or single industry have an absolute ways of figuring out the market, it means that market can be subjected to massive manipulations. So in order to avoid market manipulation, combination of order and chaos is what is present in the market. Combination of order and chaos in the market is what gives everybody the ability to learn something new in the market. Without this, market is subjected to manipulation, and if market is subjected to manipulation, the market will fall. There will be crisis in the market and financial industry will cease to exist. So combination of this order and chaos is what is giving each individuals with level of knowledge over others in the market. There are fundamental principles that guide the trading industry, and one of them that your brokers and prop firm are using against you is called the law of 90-90-90 rule. There is a saying in an industry that is fairly common to every traders or every brokerage firm, which is 90-90-90 rules, that says that 90% of traders will lose 90% of their capital within the first 90 days. Listen again. 90% of traders will lose 90% of their capitals within 90 days. So it simply means that when 90% of traders are depositing their funds in their brokerage account, 90% of traders, the brokerage firm knows that 90% of these people will not make a dime in this market and they will lose 90% of their money within 90 days. And that is why all the advice, all the training, all the designing, all everything they are trying to portray to you is to over leverage your account, to go big or go home. 0.01 is for losers. Flipping account is one of the fastest way. Scalping makes more money than swing traders, and so on and so forth. You can start your trading with $5. You can even deposit as low as $1. You can with $10, you're already a trader. Because they know with this rule, combination of these 90-90-90 rules with insufficient capital simply means that money, once you deposit it into your brokerage account, you have lost the entire fund. You have lost the entire fund. So there are different principles that is working against you without your knowledge. So your duty as a trader is to find out those principles and now trick it and let it work for you, not against you. So if there's a saying that says that 90% of traders will lose 90% of their capital within 90 days. So what is going to make you different? How do you think you will be exceptional? Every trader that comes into the market have a burning desire of making money. I've never seen any trader, I've never seen anybody deposit their money thinking that they want to lose the money. No, 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 no. Every trader comes into the market with the burning desire of making more money. But despite the burning desire of making more money, so why the statistics still remain the same that 90% of traders are losing all 90%? Why is the statistics still the same that 90% of traders will lose 90% of their capital within 90 days? Because there are fundamental rules, there are foundational rules that is guiding the trading industry that you knowing it is to your advantage. If you decided not to know it, it's to your own detriment. Because why are you funding your account over and over and over again? And this is December 2024. You cannot be doing the same thing every time and expecting different results. 2025 is almost here. In the next 16 days, 2025 will be here. So what is your plan? What is your plan? What is your strategy? What are the principles? What are the level of self-evaluations you are thinking that will make you to become a better trader than other traders? Once you understand this, understanding this principle will give you an edge over others, because always remember, money will always flow from inexperienced, silly, gullible traders to experienced, professional, well-disciplined traders. Once you understand that, then that one should give you an edge that are you here in this market to play? Is your purpose of being a trader is to lose your money? If your purpose of being a trader is to make more money, if your burning desire is truly that you want to make money, you have to seek out knowledge. You have to understand what will give you an edge over others in the market. So understanding this is the foundational principle of becoming a profitable trader. And as a result of this, there are tripod of success. I call it tripod of success. This is tripod now. A tripod, an effective tripod, or a tripod is not a tripod until it has three legs. In trading also, there are basic principles, unspoken principles that will give you an edge over others, that will make you be a profitable trader. Understanding this is to your own advantage. Paying not attention to it is to your own detriment. So this tripod of success is your own guard, is your own armor, is your own sword and shield, is your own skill that will protect you from losing your money back to back. You have lost a lot of money this year. Don't go into 2025 doing the same thing and expect different results. It will not happen. Taking different approach will be an edge, will be something that you are trying to do differently that will give you an edge in the market over others. And what are the basic principles? There are basic foundational trading principles that you knowing this is the holy grail of the market. And the number one of them is high quality technical analysis. If you don't have a technical analysis, how lucky you are already in my channel. So you have a lot of time to watch different technical analysis. You must have high quality technical analysis. This is YouTube. Find a way to be knowledgeable. You are not just clicking buy and sell. Don't click buying and sell button for buying and selling sake. Have high quality technical analysis. That is the number one thing. You need to know how market works. You know the psychology of candlestick. You need to know market structure. You need to know raw price action reading. You need to know chart patterns. You need to know everything. Fibonacci, every strategy you can lay your hands up that will increase your quality technical analysis. You must find out first. You must be good technically. If you are not skillful technically, you won't make it in this industry. I don't care about your solid risk management. I don't care about your trading psychology. A tripod cannot stand on its own without its three legs. If you don't have quality technical analysis, forget it. If you bring $1 million into this industry, market will take it from you. No matter what, no, the first foundational trading principles you must have is high quality technical analysis. Having this is the number one thing that will give you an edge over others. High quality technical analysis is your lifeline. Once you have this, the second thing is solid risk management. Because if you have the technical skills, every entry and exit of your market, you must know how much do you want to lose per time. Why are you entering the market? Because having high quality technical skills is the ability to give you bias, to know why your right entry, to give you trade locations, to give you the proper weakness of the market. It gives you trade location, it exposes you to the weakness of the market so that you can explore it. Once you know that, once you have that in your arsenal, the second thing is solid risk management. Go big or go home, we will surely go home. If you are thinking you will flip your way into success in this market, is a lie. Nobody flip their way to become profitable. Nobody flip their ways into become consistently profitable over a long period of time. Forget what you are seeing on social media. If you are thinking you will flip your way into success every day, every time, 90% of traders that are flipping their account do not stand the test of time. If you want to make the real money in this industry, you need proper risk management, solid risk management. And in order to be effective, so before you enter market, you must know how much you want to make, how much you want to lose when market do not go your way. Or having this basic principle will protect you from the market because it is your duty to protect yourself, to protect your emotions, to protect your psychology, to protect your self concept, to protect your emotions. because you are not just losing money in this market, you are losing your emotion, you are losing your mind, you are losing every part of you in this industry. Because when you lose money, market makes you to doubt yourself. It makes you to doubt your emotion. It makes you to doubt your creativity. Market expose your weakness. Market has a way of extracting your weakness and show it to you. That, are you really sure you are a trader? Do you really think this industry is for you? Proper risk management is what will save you. The last one is deep trading psychology. Deep trading psychology means that when you now have a proper risk management, you must be able to know when to exit the market. Because when market is going your way, you must know when to exit. When market is not going your way also, you must also know when to exit the market. So if you have high technical analysis skill, you have deep trading psychology, and you lack risk money management, you will not make money in this industry. High quality technical analysis, deep trading psychology without solid risk management, you will still be a failure in this market. Proper trading psychology plus high quality technical skills without solid risk management, you will not make money. Deep trading psychology plus solid risk management without high quality technical skills, you will not make money. High quality technical skills plus deep trading psychology minus risk management, you will not make money. Combining these three principles together is what will give you an edge over others. Combining these three principles together is what will create your tripod of success in 2025. If you want to become profitable, you must be smart enough to do things that others will not do. Find your tripod of success, which is proper technical skills, solid risk management, and deep trading psychology. So, to those who are saying that trading psychology is 90%, technical skills is 10%, they are joking, they are lying to you. If trading psychology is 90% and high quality technical analysis is 10%, why do you think a lot of traders are failing in this industry? So both of them must be imbalanced. They must be balanced. You must have them. High quality technical skills 40%, solid risk management 30%, deep trading psychology 30% will give you an edge over others over a long period of time. When you have these fundamental trading principles, that is when you can have a slighter chance of becoming profitable. Because ask yourself, what makes you special? Why do you think you will make money? Why do you think you will become profitable? Why do you think among the millions of people that enter financial industries yearly, you will become better than them all? To your tripod of success, you must find it. Your foundational principles, you must find it. The combination of this order and chaos, you must be in confluence of the three of these principles. Putting this principle or not taking these principles seriously will be cause of failure. So I urge you, as you are going to 2025, take your trading life seriously. This tripod of success, you must find it. This tripod of success, work on it. These basic fundamental trading principles, work on it. These foundational trading principles, work on it. High quality technical skills, give your time. This channel is designed for you. High quality technical analysis, solid risk management, and deep trading psychology. Combining these three together is going to give you the tripod of success you are looking for. If you don't have these three principles, you will not be successful. I'm so sorry. I burst your bubble. I'm not the type that will say you will not be successful in this industry. Because what is so special about you? Why do you think you will be different among the millions of people that is entering the market? So if you can find this balance on these three principles, which are foundational, then you have the slightest chance. And when I say slightest chance, it means that over a long period of time, if you stay with it and you work your ass off, on working on this principle is what will give you an edge over others. If you can work on these principles, then 2025 will be your year. 2025 will be something different. 2025, you no waste money. 2025, broker will not be taking, you will not be depositing and depositing and depositing without withdrawal. If you are tired of depositing your money without withdrawal, if you are tired of just deposit, you're buying a prop firm without being successful, You have to take these foundational trading principles seriously. If you can take it seriously, you will become profitable with time. And it's my wish for you to be a profitable trader. So, are you ready to master forex trading? Then drop your comment below, share, on your notification, and subscribe to this channel. Till I come your way again, be safe.